Welcome back with the next tutorial for the vent piping. So as I said in my previous tutorials, we will complete the vent piping for the first floor. As you can see, this is the first floor plan and this is the ladies toilets for the first floor. So just before I start this video, I would like to request you guys please to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon as well, so that you can get the notification of my upcoming videos. So as you can see, this is drawn with the help of Polyline. So simply select all these lines, polylines, and simply convert this line type. Okay, go to this property and select here line type to bilayer. Change the line type to bilayer. Okay, then simple select and export it. Select and export. Okay, you can select all one time and export it. Okay, press the enter. Okay, and now use the offset command. Offset at a distance of 25 each side. Okay, simple offset this all these lines. Okay, after that use match properties command. Type ma enter, select the source object and destination object. Okay, this is your destination object. Okay, okay, now place this copy this T from here. We'll use copy command. Copy this T. Okay, and place it here. Wherever there is T, you can place it. Move. You can copy. Simple mirror this, type mi, enter first point. Mi mirror command, mirror like this. Remove the source subject and again move this one and place it here. Again move from the center point of this T, place on this axis. Okay, now to copy this again. Copy from here. Now this time you have to place it here. Okay, now to place copy again from here, and one T is required here, so we will place it and rotate this. Okay, then move this, use move command and place it here. Again move in the center of these fittings, place it here. Now use trim command, tr, select the cutting edge, enter first point, second point, then first point, second point. Okay, you can use trim command, select the cutting edge, first point, second point, then first point, second point. Again use trim command, select the cutting edge, enter first point, second point, first point, second point. Okay, again use trim command, select the cutting edge, enter first point, second point, then first point, second point. Again use trim command, select the cutting edge, enter first point, second point, then first point, second point. Again use trim command, select the cutting edge, enter, then first point, second point, then click on first point and second point. Again use trim command. Most of the time we are using trim command, so this is very important command. Okay, then copy this one from this point and place it here. Okay, now use one line command and simple extend this, enter. Okay, and simply erase this. Okay, now what you will do, simple copy this end cap and elbow from here. You simply use copy command and copy from here. Okay, and place it here. Now use move command and select the point, place it here. Again use move command, move at a distance of 50 mm. Use trim command, select the cutting edge, first point and second point. Then move this elbow from here and place it here. Again move from this point, place it at net axis. Okay, now use trim command, select the cutting edge, enter first point, second point, then first point, second point. Again copy this elbow, place it here. Again use move command, type M, enter first point and second point. Okay, then use trim command, again select the cutting edge, enter first point, second point, first point, second point. Okay, then offset TMM side. Again use copy command, copy from here and place it here. Okay, again use copy command, copy from this point, place it here. Now move this at a distance of from this point to the center line. Okay, now again use copy command, copy these fittings and place it here, and then again use move command, select this point and place it at the center. Again use copy command, now this time copy from here and place it here. Now use move command, and move this one. Okay, so now already done. Okay, and again offset 25 mm each side, and use mesh properties, simple select the source and destination. Again use mesh properties, select the source object and destination object. Okay, now copy this elbow from here, place it here, move, use move command, and rotate this. Now again use move command, select this point, place it here, then again use move command, select this point and move it down. Use trim command, select the cutting edge, enter first point, second point, then first point, second point. Okay. Now one more T is coming this side, so what you will do, simple copy this, and now you have to rotate this. Use move command, move it from this center, place it here, again use move command, enter, move this side. Use trim command, TR, select the cutting edge, enter first point, second point, then first point, second point. Okay, again use trim command, TR, enter first point, second point, first point, second point. Again use trim command, select the cutting edge, enter first point, second point, first point, second point. Again use trim command, select the cutting edge, enter first point, second point, first point, second point. Again use trim command, select the cutting edge, first point, second point, click on first point and second point, offset at a distance of 50 mm. Okay, so it's done now. Okay, now we have to copy this offset here 50 mm, and one elbow is need to be placed here, so copy this elbow and move down, rotate this, type arrow, enter. Now move this here. Okay, then offset 25 mm. Again use move command, move it from here to here. Now match properties, match this line. TR, select the cutting edge, enter first point, second point, first point, second point. Okay. Now what you will do, simple copy this connection from this point and place it here. Okay, this is only connection, so from the top elbow, this one. Here, here. Okay, then one more is here, then one more is here. Okay, and simple erase this, select and erase it. Okay, also this one need to be erased, and extend this, EX, enter and extend this. Okay, so I think you guys learn how to create and simple shape this to Control S for the shaping. So this is a shop drawing for the vent piping for the ladies toilet first floor, and the last one is this is the gents toilet first floor. So in the next tutorial we will complete for this, and after that we will start invert level, writing invert level, and then we will start the water supply. This drainage system will be finished. So thank you guys once again. So please take care and bye bye.